Allow your technical training students to explore industrial hydraulic systems using Amatrol's basic hydraulic troubleshooting learning system. This powerful training system teaches learners how to troubleshoot hydraulic systems and their components, such as hydraulic motors, directional control valves, and cylinders. The system includes Amatrol's in-depth multimedia curriculum, which covers a wide variety of topics, including pressure test points, flow measurement, cavitation and pseudo-cavitation, and troubleshooting hydraulic pumps, cylinders, motors, valves, and systems. The highly interactive e-learning features stunning 3D graphics and video, voiceovers of text, and interactive exercises and quizzes that help bring learning to life. Thanks to the trainer's wide variety of industry-standard electrical components and a PLC with HMI, students will gain real-world, hands-on experience in various hydraulic troubleshooting topics, such as cylinder drift, motor speed fluctuations, DCV not shifting properly, and system vibration. The learning system also features FaultPro, industry's premier computer-based fault insertion software. This system features 30 different faults that develop key industry troubleshooting skills and present learners with realistic troubleshooting experiences. With hands-on training, flexible curriculum, and real-world troubleshooting, Amatrol's basic hydraulic troubleshooting learning system is your one-stop solution for technical training.